So, we met earlier today with our friends P from Pheep Sheep and Joe from JoeyP. And that was to set ourselves a challenge to have a whole day out on either 10, 20 or 30 euros. And for that, you've got to eat, you've got to entertain yourself, you'll do everything. P from Pheep Sheep, she got the 20 euros. Joe, JoeyP, he got 30. Which of course means that we get 10 euros. At least it's each, right? What do you think?
I have no idea.
10 euros, what can we do? So, the challenge is on, 10 euros. We're coming back here later. We're going to save it till the last minute, bit of a surprise. It's not Shoe. I think Joe Perilla's probably going to go there. You have got the Ritz cafe down behind us. It's all too expensive, a bit touristy. No, there's something else here. Stay tuned. It's the real icing on the cake. You may recognise this view just around the corner from Maya, one of our favourite coffee shops. But here also is the location of our new favourite secret patio. It's right here in the Madeira Photography Museum. You don't have to go to the museum, although the museum is great. It's only €3. There's a secret little patio. It's open every day of the week except Sunday. Really nice food.
So that's our capricitos, made with fresh mozzarella cheese, freshly made tomato, and some also seasoned salads.
Do you forgot?
Thank you so much, Walter. That food was stonking, as we say in the UK. Could you tell people just about what I ordered and a little bit about this place?
We try to be honest with the prices, and we work with fresh products for the day. Usually I say to our customers, you can modify, you can personalize. If we have the ingredients we do, is our philosophy, our concept. We try to have some dynamics, and we want to make the wishes of our customers. And when the customer says, I try and want, if we have the ingredients, we do. In your case, it's one of our dishes or of a menu, but feel free. We can modify, we can everything. We can do that the customer wants.
Excellent, Walter. Thank you so much. I'm so glad we found you. We'll be back again.
For sure, always welcome. We are here, patio brunch, in the middle of the Funchal. We are on a secret spot. We don't have signal at the exterior. Try to find us.
So, before I start, I've got my special soup eating glasses on. So here, sitting in Indiana, we're just opposite the cathedral. I've gone for a big vegetable soup here, and I've gone for a tuna mayonnaise sandwich with that as well. I do believe it's only $5.80. Other options I could have gone for, if I was a meat eater, I could have gone for prego. Prego, you'll see that everywhere. It's a steak sandwich and a bolo de coco. Sometimes you get it a mixed one. It has ham and cheese, and you can get that for like $3.60 or something. Well, lovely. The roll, I'm not particularly into white bread, but it's really crusty. I like that. It's got tomatoes, it's got lettuce. There's something with the tuna, it's not just mayonnaise. A little herb, very nice.
Oh, hi!
Philly!
How are you?
Good.
Oh.
Have this.
Thank
I
you.
need to ask you a question.
Yeah.
I've got a 10 euro challenge.
Yeah.
And I've only got about 150 left.
€1.50.
Yeah. What's the most exotic thing?
Okay, so have you ever heard of green wine?
Oh, I haven't. But it's
Really?
interesting.
Oh wait, give me a sec. Because it's a wine that's originally produced in the Douro region, that's in Portugal. So the north part of Portugal. This is one of the many, many examples we've got. And for 150 you can get a small glass of wine.
That sounds just the ticket. Yes, please.
Should I do it then?
Yes.
All right, just give me a sec. So this is kind of a white, but a bit more fruity and fizzy. It's very, very fresh. It's the perfect pairing for summer. If you love freshness, if you love fruit, if you love, well, happiness. Because it's a very unique product from Portugal. It's very well known. Usually people fall in love with it. And I think you might fall in love with it too. It will be just perfect. And for only $1.50.
I'm not a wine lover, as you know. There's something about this. It's light, it's just the right amount of sparkle. It's not too sweet, it's not too acidic. It's a real pleasure. It's lovely and cooling. Thank you, Philippe. So definitely don't have any budget for water, but luckily here on Avenida Arriaga, there's a water filter, so that's all good.
Nice to see you again. How you doing, mate?
I'm doing, mate.
You know about this €10 challenge you're doing?
I've heard.
We have enough. One of your rather special affogatos.
Please do. Come inside.
So Angelina, can I try some flavours first?
Yes,
What do you have?
I have yogurt.
Can I try?
Okay.
I like the sharpness of it.
Pistachio, a little bit.
Now that's difficult
It's difficult.
because the salted. No, I'm going to go for pistachio.
Pistachio.
It's very pretty. I've never had an avocado before. Why have I never had an avocado before? I'm not sure what it is about pistachio. There's something a bit special about it. It's like nothing else.
For me, the pistachio, when I was before I had this business, the pistachio would be the measuring of the ice cream quality. I would go into a shop and I would taste the pistachio. If the pistachio would taste like pistachio, I would know they have good ice cream.
Oh, Angelina.
Okay, I forgot this ice cream salt caramel.
How can you stay slim? You own an ice cream shop. It's absolutely lovely.
Most of our nutty flavors are vegan because we'd like to keep the milk out of it and make the flavor more intense to keep it as basic as possible with especially the pistachio. This one is hazelnut and chocolate.
What's the basis for the vegan ice creams you use?
Mostly cashew. We use cashew for our vanilla. We use cashew for our yogurt, which is in my opinion, our best ice cream.
I've always been curious about dog-friendly ice creams.
Normal ice cream has milk and sugar. Our ice cream for dogs is lactose-free, so we use lactose-free yogurt or milk. And we also use fructose instead of normal sugar. So it's healthy for them. We use a lot of fruit, banana, strawberries, dates. So it's really good and it's very popular.
So you could eat that as well. There's nothing there that a human couldn't eat.
Yes, we do eat.
Oh, you do it
Yes,
as
we
well,
do
yeah.
eat. Yes, we do. Especially on the days that we see that we've had a bit too much sugar. If we still want a bit of ice cream, we can still have. The yogurt one is very delicious. Yes, you can have it.
Thank you, Antonio. Angelina. Oh, that is nice. And I guess you get the dry ones first because obviously you're probably not going to appreciate them after the sweet. But also just, God, look up there. Look at some of those bottles. So some of those bottles go back to like 1873. I'm guessing they're all for sale.
Okay.
Bola de mel?
Yes, we'll do the milk.
Perfect. Obrigado. Cheers. Price-wise, 3-year-old wine, you're looking at around about €10, and it goes up obviously 20 years up to €48. But I was talking about those ones that go back to the 1800s. 2,000 euros a bottle.
Almost dry on the outside, but that's not in a bad way, because then the moistness in the inside really kind of, a little bit like, almost like an American cookie. It's that moment where you think it's going to be a biscuit and then it's a cake. Good. Thank you, De Oliveras, for your generosity. We've kind of pretty much polished that all off. It was very enjoyable.
If you want to find this place, by the way, it's just around the side of the municipal square. It's open, I think, every day apart from Sunday. We've eaten, had a great time, shown you a little bit of the culture of Funchal, and all for less than 10 euros. Go on, go in the comments, vote for us if you wouldn't mind. And so here we are at the theatre. So this is a free concert, and we've been lucky enough to get 2 tickets for tonight.
Uma palavra, uma mentira, ou até uma escolha. Pode mudar tudo.
It's been a great day. We've met up with so many nice people again, Philippe and Walter and Antonio, and obviously P and Joe. And we hope that you've enjoyed it too, and maybe you've picked up a few places that you might want to try on your next visit to Funchal and Madeira. Take care.
You know, we decided to all post next Thursday.
Did we?